Hey guys, this is Kim with Ancient Wisdom Healing, and today I was going to do some more of the pendulum readings. So let's get started. Let's see, was Tartaria real? Yes, thank you. Was there free energy in Tartaria? Yes, thank you. Can we still harness this energy in this dimension? Yes, thank you. Is the earth flat? Okay, it doesn't look like it's going to say anything to me. Is the earth round? Okay, it's not wanting to answer that question. All right. Is the sun we have right now, is it real? No. Is it a hologram that they put up? Yes. Thank you. Is there land beyond the Antarctic ice wall? Yes. Thank you. Are there giants still on Earth? Yes. Thank you. Are there beings in Middle Earth? Yes. Thank you. Is remote viewing real? Yes. Thank you. Can humans jump timelines? Yes. Thank you. Can they do it at will? Maybe. Thank you. Is timeline jumping and quantum jumping the same? Yes. Is the is the Mandela effect timeline jumping? Is the I say Mandalon for some reason. Is the Mandela effect a timeline jump? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Can you timeline jump back into an old timeline? Maybe. Thank you. Does timeline jumping have to do with frequencies? Yes. Thank you. If your vibration lowers, could you go back to an old timeline? Maybe. Okay, thank you. Is there a different timelines for each dimension? Maybe. Are there multiple timelines in each dimension? Yes. Are most of the humans now in 4D? Yes. Are there still some in 3D? Yes. Are there some that are in 5D? Yes. Okay, thank you. And those are the questions we have for today. If you have any questions you want me to ask Spirit, just let me know in the comments. And please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.